get this movie. I have to get this bulbs out. We just got to another day. And then this guy like dances. I need some help. This guy, he had the best last year, but he broke. He really good. But blow up. Somebody did make this idea, and it was like a perfect idea. This guy takes a little while.
I think Ellie's trying to dance like him.
That dragon is like even bigger than the dancing. Thank you so much. I like him really much.